Good morning! Speed sounds. Please take today's speed sounds worksheet. Point with your finger to each word you hear. I will read the words and leave a gap for you to repeat after me. Oh! Blow the snow. Blow. Snow. Show. No. Flow. Oh. Phone home. Home. Hope. Spoke. Note. Broke. Phone. Oh. Goat in a boat. Goat. Boat. Road. Throat. Toast. Coat. Blow. Home. Goat. Snow. Hope. Boat. Show. Spoke. Road. No. Note. Throat. Flow. Broke. Toast. Phone. Coat. Please take a new piece of paper. Here's a dictation of 10 words. Word number 1. Phone. Word number 2. Show. Word number 3. Road. Word number 4. Toast. Word number 5. Note. Word number 6. No. Word number 7. Coat. Word number 8. Spoke. Word number 9. Throat. Word number 10. Flow. And here are some silly sentences for you to write down. Sentence number 1. I note that the goat went down the road. I note that the goat went down the road. I note that the goat went down the road. Full stop. Sentence number 2. The toast got stuck in my throat. The toast got stuck in my throat. The toast got stuck in my throat. Full stop. Sentence number 3. I know that I left my coat on the boat. I know that I left my coat on the boat. I know that I left my coat on the boat. Full stop. Well done, everybody. That was today's dictation. Now take a red pencil, have a look at the worksheet with the words on it, and also at the end of this video, and correct all the mistakes you made.